I got NFL team packs. I got every single team. But some teams might be put together, like the Vikings only got 3, so I will put them with the Lions. And these are $5 each. And some do have rookies. Michael Crabtree rookie in the 49ers. I might put it in a certain pack, but I'm going to leave it in the 49ers for y'all. And this pack is 7, just because of the Crabtree rookie. So everything else is 5. This is 7. Please, it took me 3 hours. 3 hours just to put all these. I had a drawer full, like stack. Now all I got is basketball. And that's all I'm gonna have. I got a couple top loaders. This one broken. But yeah, these are new, brand new. Got my basketball, Heat PC, some rookies, a quad. But yeah, that's not the real reason. NFL Ministry Packs. They will start in just a minute. I will open them up. If I gave you a card in the wrong stack, sorry. This Julio Jones stack, the Falcons. Tell me. If you want this Julio Jones rookie Bowman, you have to pay $7 just like the Crabtree. $7 if you want the rookie. So, yeah. They will be shipped in bubble mailers. So, just let me know. Patterson 23-24. I mean 23-24 is out. Thank you so much, YouTube. I really need money. I bought stuff that I didn't even think I really was gonna buy. I thought somebody was gonna outbid me on stuff like this Curry Auto, but it's sweet. I'm gonna keep it for a PC. I'm gonna start PCing them now since I won that. So yeah, please let me know on the packs. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31. But I did put a couple of packs together, so I don't know. And some might be separated because there was too many. So please just let me know on the packs. Thanks. And Patterson 23-24 out.